Hello, it's very exciting. My girls have arrived. So I'm gonna show you this box is where Mira is and Masha and her friends are over here. I'm gonna transfer them into my boxes and I already have my frames ready. Behind me I have set up water. Oops! I have set up water for them with some essential oils, and witnessing this whole thing is my son Marco. All right, so we are getting ready to start. I'm also I have also prepared some sugar, and I'm going to insert some sensors to keep track of the temperature of the hive as well as their weight, and that is going to help me problem solve in case if they're not doing very well. So I'm gonna get started. I gotta put my equipment, and those are the feeders with just the sugar. It's dry sugar. As you know, in Calgary, Alberta, it may be the end of May, beginning of summer. However, as we know, this doesn't mean that we have a lot of flowers blooming. So I'm gonna get started with just the first one. I'm gonna remove the lid. Perfect, and I have prepared some sugar water. This year I have decided to keep my friends happy. So instead of smoking them, I'm going to spray everything with sugar water, and this is going to give them something to eat while I'm transferring them in here. And this is also going to be a chance for me to look at the queen. I'm going to stop the recording and I'm going to move the computer closer.